Laikipia County Government will go down in history as the first devolved unit to float 1.1 billion shillings infrastructure bond. This is after the County Assembly has voted to endorse the infrastructure bond that is expected to fund capital-intensive development projects in the county such as smart towns and irrigation.
Last month, members of the Laikipia County Assembly questioned a proposal by Governor Ndiritu Mureithi administration to borrow 1.1 billion shillings through an infrastructure bond. While passing the 8 billion shillings budget estimates for the financial year 2020-2021, members questioned how the county government would repay the loan. The tide has turned and members of the County Assembly have unanimously approved the issuance of the 1.4 billion shillings infrastructure bond. This means Laikipia County Government will be the first devolved unit to raise funds through an infrastructure bond. The funds will be used to finance infrastructure projects for 2021-2022 financial year.
Sisi takubali hiyo kama watu ya Segera tafaidika kwa njia hii ama ile nyingine.
Of incorporating the core agenda to amend or to incorporate all that the governor and the executive had thought of putting in this important document is the important thing, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we were taken through the infrastructure board, and in fact sometimes around June or July, Mr. Speaker, the national government had a crisis where our people, some of our people, looked even to the World Bank that Kenya does not need hatutaki deni Kenya tena.
In a heated debate, 19 members unanimously supported the motion with 5 opposing on accountability reasons. The debate that lasted 3 hours saw members debate on how the bond would finance development projects. Those who opposed the bond said there was a lack of a framework on how the loan will be repaid and could burden the Laikipia residents.
Na Nanyuki wote nimesikia kila mwenyeji amesimama, Mr. Speaker anasema Nanyuki iko na maendeleo. Ni sawa na kuungana shukuru kwa sababu niko na Nanyuki. Lakini ningetaka kuhamisha wajumbe hao. Mwaka uliopita tuko na miradi mingi sana, Mr. Speaker, tulipitisha katika hii bunge.
The infrastructure bond issue was approved by the National Treasury, National Assembly, Commission on Revenue Allocation and the Capital Markets Authority. Caroline Jenga for Lunchtime News.